Here's a 2018 Mercedes-Benz CLA. Led by the three-pointed star, innovation churns from its four wheels, 2-liter turbo engine, 7-speed DCT dual-clutch automatic transmission, and dynamic select with Eco, Sport, Sport Plus, and manual modes. The sleek body achieves industry-leading aerodynamic benefits, including better visibility even in challenging weather. A diamond block grille and frameless door glass are just a few of the details that add to the appeal. The driver's pleasure is the priority. The media interface, USB audio input, Bluetooth, and Embrace enhance your driving experience. Maximize your drive time with entertainment choices and sensational performance. Treat yourself to this CLA today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,